Look at how far it is from us.
We're barely losing any health though.
Yeah, that's true.
What?
We'll make it. We'll make it. I have energy drinks, meds. We're fucking stacked, dude. We're stacked. All we need is a suppressor, and we win. Oh shit! There's a car. The car. They ran us both
I
over.
thought it was a plane. I thought it was a plane. I started looking up. Okay,
Got
you're
him.
first to die.
Alright, we're going to that town to the right. You see that? Spam F. Spam F. Spam F. Spam F. Spam F. I'll mark it on my map. We're going to Zarky.
This
That's the
one? This one over here?
Zarky.
That one? Okay.
We're going there. We're going there.
Yep, we're going there.
I'm pulling my chute like as soon as possible.
Bye bye, buddy.
Wait. Did you actually just leave me?
Yes.
No. You're halfway across the map.
I'm all the way across the town. I'm going to the military plant.
Oh my god, you're gonna die.
Oh no.
Alright, you have fun.
We'll meet up. We'll meet up.
Okay. I'm gonna be fucking stacked and you're gonna be like dead. The circle's gonna enclose on me. Feels good.
Oh, I'm in it.
Wait. No! I haven't even landed yet.
You haven't even landed yet?
No, I just landed. Like,
You have to go all the way across. Oh my god.
I have to find I have to find a car. Yo, joke's on you. I'm getting the best loot. Oh my god, look at this loot. Wow. This loot is crazy. Well, I found a pistol, I found a Glock with suppressor and a sight and extended mag, quick draw mag. Yeah, you
Oh
should
wow,
came.
so
Yeah,
crazy.
you should came with me.
Wow. This Scar L definitely doesn't stack that.
Wait, really? Are you seriously not going pistol? Traitor,
Okay, then I'll go pistol, buddy. I'll go
pistol,
pistol.
traitor, traitor, traitor.
I have a revolver, so no, I'm better.
Guess what? I have nothing, so don't talk. I think I can loot like one more building and then I have to leave.
Here, I'll find a car and come pick you up, alright?
Alright, drop this.
Oh, level 2 backpack. Don't you wish you were here?
I already have a level 2 backpack.
Oh, the package is on me.
What?
Oh, it dropped the bag like right next to me. Bro, it literally dropped the pack like right next to me.
Okay.
I'm
Good
getting
job.
it.
Good job. Good job, Stanford. Good job. You did good. I'm proud of you. What?
You know the sniper pistol? You know the sniper pistol?
No,
You don't know the sniper.
I don't know the sniper pistol.
Yeah, well I have it right now.
No way, that's crazy. Even though I don't know what it is.
It's pretty much is the best scope. 18 times scope, right? And it's a pistol.
Wow, that's crazy.
Holy dude. What? Did this crate seriously just land in the tree?
Rip, I found a M4.
I'm telling you right now, if I find something like really good from that set,
Wait, did you actually get it?
yes, the crate is like right next to me.
So you didn't get it yet.
No, I don't have it yet. But I'm looking around and there's not one person here. Looking,
Alright,
I'm literally at the top of a mountain.
alright,
Looking
I'm
around.
getting this one shop because I know it's stacked with fucking loot, and then I'm leaving.
Yeah, you should have came where I went.
Nah. You should came where I went. Place stacked, there's nobody here.
Oh, M24 ghillie suit. Oh my.
Take the ghost suit. You can't take anything. You can't take any of that. You need a
What you
silencer.
talking about?
You need a silencer.
Holy dude, this
You need
is
a silencer.
crazy.
You need a fucking silencer. Don't try that on me, boy. Don't try that on me.
Dude, I'm so decked out right now.
You need a.
Need to get,
Wow, you're gonna really abandon it? Wow. Can't believe you.
dude. Okay, if you don't find a cart, you're dead.
I'm
If you
trying
don't
to
find a
find one.
cart, you're dead.
I'm trying to find one.
Why am I hiding in a building?
Because you can.
You know what I'm gonna do actually? We're gonna run to a big bush. Okay? I'm just gonna sit there and crouch. Nobody will ever
You
see
just
me.
get the ghillie suit.
Yes, I have a ghillie suit.
You found a suppressor?
Nope.
Or anything?
I have this sniper rifle.
Sniper rifle.
The most OP sniper rifle. It's the M24.
You don't have a suppressor though.
I don't want to. I don't care for it. So
Such a loser. Such a loser. Such a loser. Just kidding. I need a car, like right now. Look at how far I am.
I know.
The next road is really far, too.
The circle's right behind you. Oh my lord, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna fucking make it.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I found a car.
Did you?
Yeah.
You better start driving fast.
Yeah, I'm going, boy. I'm out of here.
That thing is closing fast, and you're not moving it. That thing is going way faster than you. That circle's moving way faster than
Yo, I'm getting a car, bro. Chill.
you're gonna die.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
Car. There's no car.
It's a
Is there
car.
actually a car?
Yeah, this is actually a fucking car.
You better start driving.
I'm getting it. Chill.
Ooh, looks like the blue circle's right there.
Nope. It's not even near me. Come on, man. It's not even close, man. Not even
Looks
close.
like you're dead. Looks
Nope,
like
I'm
you're...
still alive. Dude, don't doubt me. Don't doubt the boy.
I'm doubting you because you're going backwards. Oh, you got in a car. But you're not moving.
We outie. We outie. Easy. Later,
Like that
boys.
blue is closing faster than you can.
Later, boys. I'm gonna flip this car so badly. It's gonna be awful.
You better start driving.
I
That
am.
blue's way faster than you.
Ah, no, 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 no.
Yes, it is.
Ah. Told you not to doubt me, boy.
I am still doubting you.
Wow, I almost flipped my car. Oh, no, no, don't flip, don't flip, don't flip, don't flip. It flipped. It flipped. I'm stuck.
You're dead. You're dead.
My car's
You're
stuck.
dead. Dead. Oh my god. You're dead. You're dead.
I actually. Oh, wait, there's another car.
You better hurry up. The circle's right next to you.
I'm going as fast as I can.
Oh my god, you're dead. You're not.
Wait, is that not a car? It's not a car. That's not a fucking car.
We're dead.
Wait, it is a car. It is a car. Let's go. Let's go.
You see the blue yet? You see the blue
I
yet?
see the blue. I see the blue. I gotta get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Oh, looks like the blue's passing you. Oh, looks
Wait,
like you're
what? How come it
taking
didn't destroy
damage.
that?
Looks like you're taking damage.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't doubt me, boy. Why can't I destroy this?
That's some health you're losing there, buddy.
This is awful. Why can't I fucking destroy this?
Well,
No, don't doubt me. I'm
Okay.
coming. I'm coming. Don't doubt me.
you're driving backwards.
I had to get out. I had to get out. I was stuck. Don't fucking talk.
I'm gonna get out. Yep.
I'm out. 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 Oh, that drift. Drift team, skirt, let's go.
Don't crash.
I'm not gonna crash, don't doubt me. Oh my god, oh my god! No!
You're dead.
I'm not even half health yet. I'm not even down to half health. Look at my health, I'm not even dying yet.
Dude, I'm just chilling in this bush. Nobody is going.
I'm coming, I'm actually coming.
Oh!
What, you're dead?
Two people just walked right past me.
I'm coming.
Bro, I'm just chilling in this bush. Nobody's ever gonna see me.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I just flipped again. I'm good. I'm good.
You better drive straight to me, buddy.
I'm trying. This area that I'm in is so hilly.
You're taking way too long. You're taking so long.
Ah, no. I'm coming. Alright, please, yes. I made it through. Go. Come on.
Like that, half health. Oh, you're losing a lot more health now.
I know. I'm still coming. I'm close
Where are
closing
you
in.
going? You're not even driving towards.
I am, I'm trying.
You're driving
Flip!
like.
I flipped again. Alright, no, we're good. There's like, oh my god, I flipped again.
You're dead. You're dead.
I'm not dead.
Oh, you're in the bomb area. You're dead.
I'm not dead. Don't tell me, boy.
You're dead.
Nope. I'm still alive. Let's fucking go.
Okay, come on over to me then.
I'm coming. Oh, there's people right next to me.
You're dead. You're dead.
Oh, rip.
Better get in the car and drive. Hope not to die.
I'm leaving.
You better leave. You better get to me too.
I'm trying.
Snipe you while
Do
you're
you,
coming.
do you have, meds? I need meds really badly.
No, I don't have anything.
Wait, really?
Check one house. No, I didn't check any houses.
I'm stuck. I flipped.
Oh, I'm not moving from this spot.
I'm coming now. I'll be there soon.
Yeah, and a couple.
I'll be in the circle, though. You're not even in the circle!
Yeah, I know I'm not.
You have a minute.
Yeah, I know.
You see, I'm fucking amazing at this game. You see that shit? That was clutch as fuck. See, you should have came with me.
Nope. I still have a sniper rifle and a ghillie suit.
And you have no meds. And you're bad.
Actually, matter of fact, do I have meds? Oh wait, yeah, I do.
God damn it. You're not even in the fucking circle, so get smacked, kid. I'm gonna be in the circle before you. Don't even talk.
Yep, that's because I'm going from city to city.
Cause you're bad at the game.
And I'm not standing up. That's how you get seen. Easy.
Alright, and I'm in. Easy. Don't even talk to me.
Yep,
I got
Walnut
first aid
Tower.
kits, so rip. Let's go. I forgot that I had first aid kits. Painkiller. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my, I'm so much better than you. Alright, we're gone. I'm coming to you. Actually, come to me. Come to me.
No.
Alright,
I have
see
a
you later.
ghillie suit.
Come to me.
Come to me.
Come to me.
Alright, I'm coming to you.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I'm coming to you, buddy.
Yeah, Sam, I'm
I
coming to
got
you.
you. Alright. Yeah, I'm totally coming to you, bro. I got you.
Yeah, Sam, I'm totally coming to you too.
Oh, there's a sniper tower. Nobody's in it. Alright. Just gonna see.
Some dude just drove by.
Oh, buddy's gonna see.
There's two people here.
Nobody's gonna see. Yeah, I'm pretty far from you, so.
There's people here. There's two people swear circling me. They're circling me. I'm scared, Stanford. Help
Oh,
me.
I found someone.
I'm scared. Please, I'm scared. I
Yeah,
did
well,
it.
I'm pretty sure I see someone too. Dude, like, seriously though, like, if I'm about to die, I'm just dropping my sniper rifle so that.
I'm gonna win this shit.
Oh, found the perfect bush.
You found the perfect place.
Found the perfect bush.
Let's go.
You're gonna get exploded. Wait, are you at full health?
Yeah, I'm in full health. I'm in a building, so can't.
Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely not moving now. How much time do we have?
2
Tell me that
minutes.
drop's gonna be on top of me. Tell me that drop's gonna be. Oh! No way! No way!
Really? You serious right
Dude,
now?
it's literally right across the river. If I swim across the river, it's right there.
I heard that.
You hear that?
Yeah, it's loud.
Holy dude, I know I just attracted like
Oh, I found a buggy. You want me to come pick you up?
yes and no. Dude, why do they give you such a good sniper rifle? Honestly. Is that a boat?
Get the boat.
Uh-uh.
If you can get the boat, get the boat.
No, there's like people in it. Something's moving. That's a boat and somebody's in it.
I see the drop. I see it. Alright, here, I'm coming to pick you up, and then we're gonna dip. Stanford, start running to me.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Otherwise, I'm
empty.
actually
This is
probably
out
dead.
of fuel. Rip. I can't.
Just
You gotta start running.
all right.
I found people.
I could just swim across.
Did you see people with a yellow car?
Nope. I found a buggy.
Alright, drive to me, drive to me, drive to me, please.
Unless people are in that buggy. Nobody's in that buggy. All right, Gucci, we Gucci. I'm gonna be really mad if I get killed. Don't tell me that's getting closer.
Yeah, it is.
Is it really?
It's closing.
Oh, it is! Oh my lord! Oh my lord! Oh. Right! Oh my god! Oh, I'm dead! I'm dead!
My lord,
I'm
oh my
dead!
lord, oh my lord. I found a car.
Did you?
Yeah, I found like 3 cars.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm outside the circle.
I'm
Outside the
coming to you,
circle.
I'm
I'm dead.
gonna come to you.
I'm gonna die. Boy's dead. Gonna die.
Oh, you got a car!
Yes, I did.
I got a car too, I gotta get you. Come on, please have gas, please have gas. Yes, we're out, we're out.
Okay. Holy dude, I'm faster than this.
You're faster than me, your car's a lot faster than mine. There's people around here, there's people around here. I saw the yellow car. The yellow car.
Okay, then I'm getting out this car. Dude, I'm hurt. If you find a scope, I need it.
I have a 2-time scope. Is that
Alright.
good? Good
I
enough?
mean, do you need it? If you don't
No,
need
no,
it,
I
then
don't
I
need it.
won't.
I'm using a pistol.
Okay, then yes, I need it. I
Come to
need
me.
any scope possible.
Come to me, bro. Let me go in the other buildings.
Holy dude. That's where the warfare goes. Watch out. Make sure nobody comes in from behind.
Alright, you have to get in my car though. Get in the back, it's more safe in the back. We have to move.
We don't.
Yes we do, yes we do, let's go, let's go.
Oh. Holy dude, you almost ran me over.
My bad.
That's the worst idea, to look out the side.
There's like yellow cars around here. Look for another
So-
car, if there's another car. There's another car right here.
Is there?
Yeah, right
Oh,
here.
yeah. Why do you...
There's gonna be a guy in here. Yeah, there's a guy right here.
Where?
Right here behind the car.
Do you see him?
Yeah, he's behind the car.
Are you shooting him?
Yes, 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 help me, help me.
Oh, left side, left side.
Oh,
He can't shoot through the gate. He can't shoot through the gate! He's still shooting at me.
I got one, I got one. Help me, help me. Got them both, I got them both.
Oh, you did?
Huh?
Jesus. Nice.
I need this ammo so fucking badly. Alright, give me the ammo, give me the 9mm. Level 2 helmet, there's 8 times scope.
8 times.
Alright, take those medkits, take those medkits. Take the helmet too, you need the helmet.
I have it 3 times. I'm at level 3 helmet.
Okay, dude, we're actually gonna fucking do this. Holy shit, get in, get in. Can you snipe
Only
people?
alive.
Can you snipe people?
Yes,
Here, once we get in the fucking circle, you have to start sniping people.
we're in the circle. No,
We're
get out of
not.
the car, get out of the car. Get out of the car, we're right next to it.
No, we have to get in it. We're
Oh,
not in
there's
it.
somebody over there! So, oh wait, never mind, I thought that was something.
Alright, right here, right here. Across the river, across the river. Look, 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 look across the river.
Nobody's there.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Somebody is most likely in the circle.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh
Get
my
in, get in, get in.
Dude, I don't trust
Oh, wait, actually,
this.
no, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine. We just gotta park right here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Move! You're so bad! We're in the circle,
There's a
right?
boat! Look, 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 look!
I shoot him, shoot him.
Holy dude, this zeroing is so hard.
But then use
Oh my
the other
God.
scope. Alright, check the barrier because there might be people.
Okay, I'm gonna use the 2 times.
I don't see anybody around.
Oh, they're coming up the hill. You need to get them while they're coming up the hill.
Where?
Ooh, got one!
Dude, you got him down? You got him down or you hit him?
Oh, he got a headshot. He got a headshot.
Come here,
right
come,
now.
come to me, come to me, come to me, come to me.
He got a headshot on me. Oh my god. Oh
Why is he
my
in the
God.
building?
No. He's down on the rocks, dude.
Like right in front of us?
Kind of.
Alright, med up. We're still in the circle.
You're
Oh,
not-
no, we're not. You need to med up and then we need to leave. Because they got us trapped and they're gonna push us. I know exactly where to go. Come on, med up. Alright,
Right,
you're good.
right.
Get in.
Oh, right there!
Oh, shit,
Right
get
above
out.
him.
I got one.
Watch out, when you peek.
Move.
Did you get him?
He's dead.
Oh, above us, behind us, come back! He's right up there.
Got him,
He's looking at you.
I got him.
Nice.
We have to move. I gotta pick you up and then we're gonna move. Holy
We have
shit.
to run now.
Right, okay.
We're gonna run.
Yeah, no.
Now, let me heal first. We're fine.
No. We have 17 seconds. And the barrier's right next to us.
Alright.
Press there. Alright, come.
What do you mean?
I have the car.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just trying to get in the circle. So I can heal. Or I die. Alright, I'm gonna lie down right here. And heal.
Shooting at us.
Shooting at you.
Yeah, shooting
Okay,
at me.
I'm coming. There's 15 left, so there's 15 in this little area. Oh, I'm getting shot at.
You good? You good? You want me to pick you
I
up?
don't know where he's at. I don't know where he's at. Oh, I
Keep
see
running.
him. There's 2 people over here. Oh god.
You want me to pick you up?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, they're both distracted. Oh shoot. No, yeah, I think you might need to.
Coming.
They're literally.
Oh wait, there's somebody right next to me. There's
Oh,
2 people in
to my
the.
left.
Yeah, they're in the building up there. You have to get in here. You have to get in. You have to get in.
Oh,
Oh,
and behind me. I'm down.
yeah.
Go. Just live. Just live.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, wait, it flipped. It flipped.
Dude, I'm so mad. Come on, you got. No, live. Just live. Why are you in a car? You're so obvious.
I'm going.
Stop! You don't need to be in this car.
Going in the circle.
Dude. Oh, run him over.
Oh my god.
So dumb. Get out of the car, right? So stupid. You're so stupid.
I had no
Oh,
chance.
we're number 4.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo, I'm so done. I hit him in the face with a sniper rifle. An M240 didn't die.